Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bob and Buck. Happy birthday to you. Hang on. Hold on. Stay right there. Back up a little. 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 Actually, come this way. 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 On the table. Come by the table. Go by that table. Hang on a second. Go over there.
Why are you filming this?
Go. Hold on.
I gotta pee.
Hold on. Ugh. I got your birthday gift.
That's the room, Rob. I'm paying you for it. I got the money right here, or I'm not taking it.
Here. Open it.
I can't. I gotta work.
Open it.
I got nothing to open it with.
Come
I got
on.
a new knife.
Come on. Use your keys.
Dude, I'm paying you for it if it is. I'm telling you right now.
Use your keys.
Damn, you're right. It's good.
Thanks.
It is.
Use your keys if you need to.
Here, I gotta do something.
What? Thank you. Oh, you don't like the bow?
Damn, it's pretty thick. That's cool. I got you money for it. It ain't a birthday gift.
No, it's a birthday gift.
Bullshit.
It's a birthday
No.
gift.
No, you're crazy, man.
No.
All right. It's a birthday gift. So the money that I got in here, because I didn't get your birthday gift, I'm gonna give to you, and we'll be
Open
even.
up the box. I put something in there for you.
And we'll be even.
Underneath, there's a latch. There you go. Yep. Pull that up and out. And then the whole lid. Yep. Open it.
I got enough. I got enough, if anything.
What do you think?
Now we can move, because I thought you were Western Roller Rocket. I was making sick that you got him like you couldn't have spent that much. Oh, I could actually use it. You can have some of these too, man.
Open it all up.
Do I stink?
Open it all up.
You're nuts, man.
You know how many sticks of deodorant I got? I know you love Cool Rush, but they were all out.
This is gonna last for like forever, man.
Yeah.
I'll be dead. Here, take some of these. I can't.
No.
No, seriously, we'll split it. Thanks, man.
To be honest,
We're gonna
I
split
already
for
got
real.
it. Now, if you hang on a second, I got your real gift. Hello. Nope. 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 Here you go.
That I'm paying you for.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope.
No, there's no way. I got the money right here.
Nope. What do you think of your birthday gift? Do you love it?
This or that? I'm paying you for that.